My son co-signed for an ex-fiancee about 3 years ago
Oh, it's a
for a
terrible
student loan,
idea.
and
Yeah.
and they're coming after him for repayment. Is there
Okay.
anything he can do? Would bankruptcy remedy the issue?
Nope. Unfortunately, student loan is one of the very, very few things that you cannot bankrupt out of. So the fact that he signed on that, he's just as liable as she is until it's paid. How much money is the loan?
Probably $7,000. Is there any way he can go after her on a civil suit?
You know, he could try to recoup it that way, but if these people can't get the money out of her, then I'm guessing he's gonna have a tough time getting the money as well.
Hard lesson learned, right?
It is. Don't cosign. Don't cosign. Don't cosign. If possible.
No, no,
Does he still talk
no.
to her, or is he doesn't even have any way to get in contact with her?
You know, there's such bad blood. I don't think he even knows how to get in contact with her anymore. I think she left the state of Michigan and living in Ohio last we heard and married.
You know, do you know if it's still with the original creditor, or has it been sold off to like a debt collector?
You know, I don't know if it's been sold off or not.
Okay.
Would that make a difference?
You know, it does, because a lot of times if it's moved on to a debt collector, that means they bought it and they buy it for less than is owed. So you may be able to work out a settlement where you offer them, $2,000 or $3,000 and try to get him out of his liability. So I'd at least talk to I'd at least talk to the lender who's ever trying to collect it and see if you can work something out. If it is a third-party debt collector, make sure that you get validation from them that they actually own the loan, because the last thing you want to ever do is pay for it and then it turns out they don't actually own the loan. So
yeah, I think that might be a good option if he wasn't making money. So I mean, if they can collect from him, I can't see them taking less on the dollar. But
sometimes it's surprising. I've done it for clients before, and it's surprising what they do, because if they know they're never going to get anything, then they may have an incentive to work, and they know he didn't take out the loan, so sometimes they're a little more understanding with that. I'd give them a call and at least find out and head off any kind of legal action that they might be taking, okay?
I will. Thanks for the info.
Okay, and if you have any other questions, just give me a call at 855-LAWSHOW. It's 855-529-7469.